Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change time on GX470 step by step. Start with the vehicle in accessory mode so electronics respond. Find the clock or infotainment controls on the dash and identify set, hour, and minute buttons. Use a small flat tool if buttons are recessed or stiff. Adjust hour first, then minutes, and confirm AM or PM if applicable. Finish by checking time after restarting the vehicle. Access the clock controls by turning the key to accessory so the dash lights up but the engine stays off. Look for a dedicated clock button or open the stereo menu labeled Settings or Clock if available. Gently press the buttons to avoid breaking plastic trim. If buttons are tiny, use a small flat tool to press them. Once you locate hour and minute controls, you can proceed to set the correct time. To set the time, press and hold the clock set button until the hour digits flash, signaling edit mode. Tap the hour control to move to the correct hour, watching AM or PM if the display shows it. Then adjust minutes with the minute button until the exact time appears. Press the set or enter button to save changes. Confirm the new time remains correct after locking and unlocking the vehicle once.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.